Namaskaram and welcome to all my gorgeous ladies and a very good morning to you. First of all, ladies, I want to wish you all a very happy new year 2022 from the Varamahalakshmi Silks team. I hope, ladies, that your year is filled with happiness, a lot of warmth and a lot of success and prosperity too. So ladies, today's episode is going to be about very beautiful Kora saris, and first let me tell you a little bit about these beautiful saris. So the fabric of Kora comes from Banaras, Varanasi, and these saris come in two different textures. One is coarse and one is soft. These saris are called Kora silk saris. They look very gorgeous. They have a very weightless element because they're little see-through and they have an amazing texture to it. You're going to love all the beautiful saris, but first let me show you the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is a very beautiful purple with red color Kora sari. The body has beautiful zari work. We have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. You can see the florals are in different colors, giving a beautiful charm to the already lovely sari. Our contrasting border has diamonds with florals and leaves over it. All this gorgeous work is in gold zari. And a very beautiful pallu has diamonds with florals and leaves jal. All this work is in gold zari. Kora saris are especially known for their very beautiful meticulous work pallus, and let me now show you the contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BX465. Weaver's price is 4,840 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear gorgeous ladies, I am going to show you beautiful saris in various price ranges today. So you can buy saris for smaller events, day-to-day wear, and you can also buy saris for weddings and gifting too. Please make sure that you're placing your orders within 24 hours because the weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Also, beautiful ladies, let me know what are your favorite colors. I will definitely try to show you your favorite saris in today's episode about beautiful Kora saris. Let's have a look at the next one. Here comes the next gorgeous baby pink color Kora sari. Isn't it so lovely? Love the color and the design of this beautiful printed Kora sari where we have florals and leaves printed on the body, along with the polkas which are in thread work, adding a more lovely, delicate charm to the body. And here's the very intricate border. It has temples and florals and leaves jal. Again, all the work is in thread work. The thread work makes the sari look even more delicate. It's very pretty, very feminine. And here's the lovely pallu, which has florals in cross checks in thread work. You can see the pallu has lovely colorful tassels and a very beautiful self blouse which has printed florals over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF487. Weaver's price is 6,800, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So let's move on to next gorgeous sari, ladies. Another very beautiful sari coming up for all of you. Let's have a look at it. This one is in our classic combination of red with green. Let me show you the details. On the body, we have floral buttis in zari. All the work is in gold zari, which looks extremely gorgeous. And the border in green color has floral jal and cross lines. So all this work is in gold zari. We have colorful thread work and temples on the edge of the border. Here's the beautiful pallu which has floral buttis over it. It's a contrasting green pallu. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF453. Weaver's price is 6,512 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari now, ladies. Here comes such a beautiful yellow with pink color Kora sari. A lovely fancy Kora is here for you. On the lime yellow color body, we have florals and leaves jal in prints. All the work has been beautifully digitally printed. And border in pink has florals and leaves in boxes. The pallu has zari lines over it in gold zari. Very simple and classy work. And a gorgeous contrasting blouse which has florals printed over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD 392. Weaver's price is 5,544, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next very elegant saree from today's collection of lovely Kora sarees. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this cream color Kora saree, we have florals and leaves and prints. The work looks very gorgeous, very elegant. And the border has florals and leaves jal and thread work. The thread work adds a lot of delicacy to the saree, making it look very lightweight and very pretty. We have a running style pallu for this saree, very classy work. And a very lovely self blouse which also has florals printed over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF456. Weaver's price is 5,984 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to our next gorgeous saree, let me just remind you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at the next one. It's a gorgeous grey color printed Kora saree, a fancy one. Let's have a look at the details. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal printed beautifully digitally. And look at the beautiful border which has floral booties with crossed lines in gold zari. And here we have diamonds printed. I'm now going to show you the lovely pallu which has zari lines over it. And a very beautiful self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD389. Weaver's price is 6,072 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next gorgeous saree. This one is a beautiful peach color printed Kora saree. Body has florals and leaves printed on the body digitally. Beautiful. Looks very pretty with the colors and the design. The border has floral jal and thread work. And here's the lovely running style pallu. Let me now show you the gorgeous self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF454. Weaver's price is 5,984 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Shobha ji, and a very happy new year 2022 to you and your family. Thank you so much for being a very loyal customer and always supporting us by buying beautiful sarees and showering your love and support to us. And also I'm looking forward to see which saree you're going to select today, because I'm going to show you many more gorgeous saree in today's episode of Beautiful Kora Sarees. Let's have a look at the next one. Another very pretty sarees here. It's in pastel green color. On this lovely fancy Kora saree, we have zari checks in gold zari, along with the florals that have been printed. Very lovely design on the body. And the border also has beautiful work. So we have temples and florals and zigzag lines in silver zari. Here's the pallu which has zari lines over it. And such a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD 395. Weaver's price is 5,544, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next gorgeous saree, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices too. Moving on. guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. I have another very beautiful color combination sari from the Fancy Kora collection. On the body, we have multicolors. So there is peach, there is light orange, there is light pink, there is baby pink. Very lovely colors are there. We have zari lines on the body. And the border has dollars and boxes in gold zari. Let's have a look at the beautiful pallu which has zari lines over it. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse for this beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF482. Weaver's price is 5,808 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a dear customer, Miss Padmalata ji, and a very happy new year to you. And since you love the necklace that I'm wearing right now, for more details you can send a message to the number 8900010002. We will definitely help you out. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. Again a multicolor sari. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this one, we have polkas and thread work with self lines. You can see the lines are in different colors and variations. Polkas are in cream color thread work. And the beautiful pink color border has florals and leaf jal in thread work again. Let me show you the pallu, which has florals and leaf jal in thread work over it. Beautiful gorgeous work is there. We also have colorful tassels and such a lovely printed contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF483. Weaver's price is 6,800 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next gorgeous sari, let me just tell you a little bit about the beautiful Kora saris. So this lovely fabric comes from Banaras and this fabric is in two types. So one is the coarse type and one is the soft type. This fabric and these saris are loved all over the world because of the beautiful texture. They're a little see-through, they have a lovely structure to them and they look gorgeous on everyone. They come in amazing colors and zari work over them. So please make sure you're placing the order for your favorite sari right away. Moving on to the next lovely one. Another very beautiful saris here. Let me show you the details now. On the body of this light green color Kora sari, we have florals and leaf jal in thread work. Very delicate and gorgeous work is there. We also have mirror work detailing in the florals. And the border in maroon color has florals and leaf jal in gold zari. Gold zari is adding a royal touch to the beautiful delicate sari. Here is our pallu, which has zari lines with mirror work over it. Zari lines are in gold zari. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse which also has mirror work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT752. Weaver's price is 6,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of Fancy Kora saris now. Moving on to the details of this lovely off-white and red color Kora sari. On the body we have florals and leaf jal printed beautifully. And our red color contrasting border has florals and lines. Gold zari work is there. Here's a beautiful contrasting pallu which has zari lines over it. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW126. Weaver's price is 5,840. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very happy new year to our dear customer Saravanji, and thank you so much for joining our live episode today. Please make sure you're staying tuned till the end so that you can have a look at the lovely collection of Kora sarees that I'm presenting today. Moving on to the next one. And this one is a gorgeous pastel yellow color, fancy Kora saree, which has lovely florals printed all over the body. We also have small floral buttees and thread work on the body, and a beautiful border which has florals and leaf jal and thread work. We also have small wavy lines and a lovely pallu which is running style work, classy, elegant design. We have a very beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CF488. Weaver's price 6,512. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next gorgeous sari from today's collection of fancy Kora sarees. On the body of this multicolor Kora sari, we have prints all over the body. It's a very abstract design, very artistic, very unique work on the body, and the border in mehndi green color has floral jal and gold zari in lines. Here is our contrasting pallu which has zari lines over it, and a very lovely contrasting printed blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is CF484. Weaver's price is 6,776, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful fancy Kora sari which has lovely printed work over it. This one is a light yellow with red color Kora sari. On the body we have florals and leaf jal printed, and along with that we have florals and leaf jal and zari also. So we have two types of contrasting works overlapping with each other, creating a gorgeous, unique design. The border is in red color, has temples, and florals and leaf jal and cross lines in gold zari, which looks very gorgeous as usual, and a lovely pallu which has floral jal in zigzag lines. All this work is in gorgeous gold zari. I will now be showing you the contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BW869. Weaver's price is 5,632, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari now, ladies, from the fancy Kora collection. On the body of this lovely sari in blue color, we have floral buttees and curvy checks with prints. It's a very classic design. I really love the color combination of the body and the printed florals. The lovely border has paisleys, diamonds, florals in checks, florals and leaf jal, and zigzag lines in gold zari, which is adding a royal touch to the blue color, and a very beautiful pallu which has gold zari lines over it. Let me now show you the self blouse for this beautiful sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CD394. Weaver's price is 5,544, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very happy new year to our new guests who have just joined our live now. And ladies, I hope and I wish a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperity and success and good health to all of you and your family. Also, let me know your New Year's resolutions. I will also get some ideas since I have not planned anything yet. And make sure that you keep showering your love and support to Varamahalakshmi Silks just like you did in 2021. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari, ladies. It's a lovely sari, multicolor sari, but all the tones of green. On the body of this one, we have self lines, and the polka dots are in thread work. And a lovely contrasting border in a different tone of green has florals and leaves jal and thread work in lines. Here's a lovely pallu which has florals and leaves jal and thread work again. And we have lovely colorful tassels in yellow, white, green and black colors. And a very gorgeous printed bottle green color blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW127. Weaver's price is 6,800 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome our very dear customer, Miss Karuna ji, and a very happy new year to you. Yes, these saris are Kora silk saris and they are in beautiful designs. Some are printed, some have thread work and some have brocade work over them, zari work. And you're going to love all of them. But first, let me show you the one that you have just asked for. A beautiful purple color sari coming up for you. Let me show you the details just like you wanted. I will show you the details of the purple color sari right after this sari. But first, let's have a look at this beige one. The body has florals and leaves jal printed over it. And the border has floral butties and cross lines in gold zari. Here's the lovely pallu which has zari lines over it in gold. And such a lovely self blouse is there which also has printed work over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CD390. Weaver's price is 6,072 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear Miss Karuna ji, your favorite sari is coming up next now. Here's the gorgeous purple color sari that you asked for, and this one is very artistic, very unique, and I must say very lovely choice. On the body we have lovely prints, very abstract designs, making the sari a very statement piece. The border in mehndi green color has florals and leaves jal in gold zari, and a lovely pallu which has zari lines in gold. We have a lovely contrasting blouse in green color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF484. Weaver's price is 6,776 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next gorgeous sari now, let me just wish a very happy new year to our dear customer Uma Kanji, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Please make sure that you're watching our live till the end because today's episode about fancy Kora saris is very exciting. We have many different types of saris in various price ranges too, and as you can see, these saris are totally affordable. Let's have a look at the next one. This one is a gorgeous peach color sari, and on the body we have leaf butties in gold zari. Very beautiful color combination of peach with brown. Border in brown color has florals and leaves jal, florals in boxes, temples in boxes, and all this work is in gold zari, which is adding a lovely shine to the already lovely sari. Here is our lovely pallu, a contrasting pallu which has zari lines with paisleys and floral butties in gold zari too. And a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY65. Weaver's price is 6,424. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next beautiful sari coming up next. It's a lovely sari from Fancy Kora collection. On the body of this lovely sari, we have florals and curvy checks in gold zari. Then we have small leaf butties in silver zari. Body is in aqua blue color. And the border has temples and diamonds in gold. Here is the beautiful pallu which has diamond brocade work over it in gold zari. And we have a lovely self blouse because the sari color and the design is very beautiful in itself. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF485. Weaver's price is 6,720. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just remind you that please make sure you're liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new sari collections at Weavers prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function that you attend. Moving on to the next sari now, so please make sure you're placing your orders right away to wear these beautiful saris and become the fashion icon of 2022. On the body of this beige and yellow color body, we have florals and leaf shawl printed digitally, and then we have floral buttees in gold zari with silver zari. The border in yellow color has florals and leaf shawl in gold zari. We also have silver zari detailing. Very gorgeous design of this sari, and a contrasting pallu which has florals and leaf shawl over it in gold. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse, and to place an order just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF458. Weaver's price is 5,632 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode, which is about lovely fancy Kora saris. As you can see, these saris are so vibrant. They have different types of works. They are in different styles. Please let me know what colors you're looking forward to in the comment section down below. That way I can show you more of your favorites, and you can place the order for your favorite saris right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next one. Here's a beige and red color Kora sari. Body has florals and leaves printed on the body, and then we have cross lines with triangles inside them in gold zari. Here's the contrasting border in red, which has floral jal and cross lines. In gold zari, floral jal is in colorful thread work, and a lovely contrasting pallu, which has leaf buttees in cross checks in gold zari. We have a classic contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF459. Weaver's price is 5,632. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari now. Here comes a lovely pastel color sari for all the pastel lovers out there. Moving on to the details. It's a lovely pastel yellow color sari. And on the body, we have florals and leaf shawl printed, along with the polkas, which are in thread work. Here's the beautiful border, which has florals and leaf shawl with floral buttees in thread work. And a beautiful pallu, which has florals and paisleys with thread work again. You can see the lovely colorful tassels adding a beautiful pop of color to the pastel sari. And we have a lovely self blouse, which has different types of smaller florals printed over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF455. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices, lives too. Moving on.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.
So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you a little bit about this fabric, that is Kora fabric. So the fabric Kora comes from Banaras, and these saris are beautifully woven from pure silk yarn, organza yarn, and these saris are very sheer. They have a lovely lightweight element to them, and they are very see-through also, so which gives them a very lightweight element, makes them look very gorgeous and sheer. These saris are loved by women all over the world because of the beautiful structure they have. These come in two styles. One is little coarse and one is very soft. These saris will look very gorgeous in the beautiful colors that I'm showing today, and please make sure you're placing the order right away to avail to the amazing Weavers prices. Let's have a look at the next one. It's a very classy sari in off-white in red color. On the body, we have floral buttis and zari checks. All this work in gold zari. The floral buttis in gold and silver zari both. The border in red color has florals and leaves jal and gold zari over it. And such a beautiful pallu which has floral buttis and zari. It's a contrasting pallu in red color. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse which has zari work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ654. Vivo's price is 5,984. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next pretty sari. This one is a gorgeous combination of green with pink. Let's have a look. On the body of this one, we have floral buttis and zari. You can see the gorgeous champagne gold zari. It looks very beautiful on the green color body. And the contrasting pink border has temples and cross lines. We have florals and leaves jal. The work is in champagne gold zari. The florals and leaves jal in colorful thread work. Here is our pallu which has floral buttis and cross lines. And ladies, such a beautiful contrasting blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ649. Vivo's price is 6,512. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next sari. This one is a gorgeous shade of blue. Let's have a look at this lovely fancy Kora sari. And such lightweight saris. Let me tell you ladies, these saris are very lightweight and easy to carry. On the body of this one, we have floral buttis and thread work and florals printed on the body. We also have small paisleys in thread work on the body. And border has paisleys and leaves with florals and leaves jal in thread work again. The color combination, the beautiful thread work, making the sari look very delicate. Very beautiful sari. Here's the pallu. It's a running style pallu, classic and elegant design. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF466. Vivo's price is 7,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is a gorgeous maroon color fancy Kora sari. Let's have a look. Such a beautiful color. Let me show you the details. On the body, we have florals printed along with the floral buttis which are in thread work. The thread work is in pink color, which is adding a lovely contrast with the maroon color body. Border has florals and leaves jal in light pink color thread work again, along with the bigger floral buttis on the edge and a lovely running style pallu. There's a contrasting blouse. It's in mehndi green color. It has florals printed over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF469. Vivo's price is 7,520. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next one. Here's the beautiful sari in mehndi green color. And on the body, we have florals and leaves jal in self. It's printed work on the body. Border has florals and leaves jal, and we have diamonds. Florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Diamonds have been printed. Here's a lovely pallu which has huge peacocks and florals with zari lines. Peacocks have been printed. Zari lines are in gold zari. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse which has printed work all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF461. Vivo's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. It's a beautiful peach color fancy Kora sari. Let me show you the details right away. Before that, ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service and cash on delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next sari. And this one has florals printed on the body along with the paisleys and floral buttis which are in thread work. Let's have a look. Our border has florals in paisleys, buttees and thread work. A gorgeous pallu which has running style work over it. And such a bright and beautiful contrasting blouse in orange color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF467. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a very beautiful sari in grey color, a very neutral color, and on the body we have florals printed on it in cross line pattern. The contrasting red border has florals and leaves jal in zari along with the diamonds which have been printed. And our pallu has huge peacocks and florals with gold zari lines. Peacocks and florals have been printed, and we also have a contrasting blouse which has beautiful printed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF462. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a very gorgeous and classy one. Let me show you the details right away. It's a lovely off-white with green color Kora sari, and on the body we have floral buttees in gold zari. The beautiful green border has temples, cross lines, floral buttees and florals and leaves jal. The work is in gold zari along with the colorful thread work detailing, and let me now show you the lovely contrasting pallu with has floral buttees and diamonds. Huge floral buttees are there, gold zari diamonds are there, and there is a lovely contrasting blouse which has very beautiful floral brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ650. Weaver's price is 6,640. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree. This one is a very lovely shade of blue, and all of you are going to love it. Let me show you the details. On the body of this one, we have dollars in gold zari. Very small and elegant buttees are there. Magenta color border has florals and leaves jal with cross lines in gold zari, along with the temples on the edge, and a lovely pallu which has dollars and zari lines in gold zari. We have such a beautiful contrasting blouse in magenta color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF460. Weaver's price is 6,000, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely saree now. Another gorgeous saree coming up for all the gorgeous ladies. It's a beautiful combination of sea green and chocolate brown. On the body we have floral buttees in gold zari. Chocolate brown contrasting border has florals and leaves jal, florals in boxes, temples in boxes, zigzag lines, and all this gorgeous work in gold zari shining beautifully on the brown color. Here is our contrasting pallu which has florals in paisleys, buttees and gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF486. Weaver's price is 6,960. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a very beautiful and classic black color saree. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this beautiful black saree, we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. We have florals in silver zari and green color too. Our border has temples and diamonds in gold zari. And our pallu has zigzag lines in gold and silver zari, making a lovely pattern. Here's the beautiful self blouse which has self lines over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB255. Weaver's price is 6,952. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful saree from today's collection of fancy Kora sarees. And such a beautiful color is here for all the beautiful ladies. Another very pastel sari. It's a pastel blue sari. On the body we have floral buttees printed along with the florals and leaves jal and thread work, and we have some small detailing in sequins also. We have a beautiful patterned border which has floral buttees and florals and leaves jal. The detailing is in gold sequence and a running style pallu. Such a delicate design is there on the sari. We have a lovely self blouse, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW153. Weaver's price is 10,880. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very pastel sari. Let me show you the details right away from this Kora fancy collection. Love this sari, love the color and the design. On the body of this one, we have floral buttees in gold. And a beautiful border has florals in sequins, zardozi and gota patti work. A lot of beautiful detailing is there. You can see the lovely bling it is adding to your sari. Very party wear sari. Totally love this one. And totally affordable too. We have a running style pallu for this one along with this cute little tassels here. And there is such a lovely self blouse for this very gorgeous sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW218. Weaver's price is 5,720. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next sari. Another gorgeous sari coming up for all the gorgeous ladies from the Fancy Kora collection. And it's in a beautiful shade. It's in grey and mustard color, and you can see on the body also we have an ombre effect. So from light grey we are moving to dark grey color. On the body we have florals and leaves jal and cross pattern printed beautifully and digitally. Border in mustard has florals and leaves jal with diamonds. The florals and leaves jal in gold, while the diamonds have been printed along with the polkas. Very colorful work. And the pallu has huge peacocks and florals printed along with the zari lines in gold zari. We have a contrasting printed blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF463. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next sari. Here comes the next gorgeous sari, and this one has beautiful unique design over it. Let me show you the details first. It's in grey, it's in mehendi green and off-white color, and the body has printed design over it along with the sequence work. So in the prints we have human motifs. So you can see the kings and the queens, the begums. It's a lovely historic design. Very gorgeous work. It's a very statement piece. And you can see the zigzag lines have sequence work over them. A very regal, authentic sari from today's collection. The border has silver zari kadi with a green color edge. And a beautiful pallu which has sequence and lines. There's a contrasting blouse for this sari in green and white color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF464. Weaver's price is 9,504. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections and Weaver's prices too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Blue color from the Fancy Kora collection. Let's have a look. On the body of this gorgeous blue sari, we have florals printed. Florals and leaves jal are printed in a diagonal pattern, creating a lovely design. Border in red color has florals and leaves jal in gold zari along with the diamonds and polkas which have been printed. And a beautiful pallu which has huge peacocks and florals printed over the zari lines in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse which also has printed work over it, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ631. Weaver's price is 6,800. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari, another lovely sari in wine color coming up for all the ladies. On the body of this one we have polkas and thread work, simple, elegant and classy work all over the body. And the border has such beautiful florals and leaves jal and thread work. Really love the sari. Again, one of the statement pieces from today's collection. We have a running style pallu for this sari. And a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF452. Weaver's price is 10,824. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris that are draped on the mannequin so that you can have a look, you can understand how beautiful you will look when you wear them. And with your gorgeous smile, you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one. The first sari is in beige and red color and has florals and leaves jal printed on the body. The border in red color has florals and leaves jal with zigzag lines. And the pallu has zari lines in gold zari. There is a contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF489. Weaver's price is 7,520. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to the next sari, and wow ladies, this is such a gorgeous sari in so many beautiful colors, multicolor sari. So it's a pinkish blue with green color fancy kora sari, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal printed along with the floral buttis in gold zari. So another very unique sari from today's collection. Border in green color has florals and leaves jal, and pallu has florals and leaves jal again. We have a contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF457. Weaver's price is 5,632. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let's take blessings from the divine goddess to have an amazing year ahead, to have a very pious year and an amazing shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And here's the next sari in pastel pink color. On the body we have floral buttis and prints with all over sequence work, creating a lovely pattern. Very beautiful sari. One of the most favorite sari of mine from this collection because of the color and the sequence work. The border has, it's a borderless sari, but we have crochet work on the edge of the border. It's a running style pallu for this sari, and there's a self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF465. Weaver's price is 13,552. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. And now we are moving ahead to the last sari for today's episode, and one of the most gorgeous saris too. It's in multi shades of grey. You can see that it has self prints on the body. We have hexagonal boxes overlapping with each other, creating a very interesting design. And the border has diamonds and florals and leaves all printed over it. It's beautiful kardana work on the body, and the border too. Pallu has running style work with small tassels. And there's a beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CF481. Weaver's price is 7,568. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear gorgeous ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about these beautiful saris, these lovely saris that are Kora saris. The Kora fabric comes from Banaras and it is in two types. That is, one is little coarse, one is very soft. These saris have very weightless property. They are little see-through, have a lovely shine over the body, and they look extremely gorgeous in all the colors too. They have beautiful thread work and zari work over them. They have beautiful borders and pallus. These saris are extravagant and they are totally affordable too. Also, ladies, I want to wish you all a very happy new year 2022 one more time. Ladies, please make sure that you keep showering your love and support to Varamahalakshmi Silks this year also, just like the last year, and please make sure you're placing the orders right away to avail to the weavers' prices too. We will keep showing you beautiful collections every single day with a lot of love also. Ladies, we will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.